Tired of boring, empty walls? What if you could transform them into stylish art pieces without spending much? Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you simple and creative DIY wall sticker ideas that will instantly refresh your space and give your home a personalized touch. Wall stickers are decorative designs made from vinyl or paper that you can easily stick onto walls to enhance their look without paint or expensive wallpaper. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Choose your design. This could be geometric patterns, nature-inspired shapes, or even custom quotes. Step 2. Draw or print your design on adhesive vinyl or thick paper. Step 3. Cut the shapes carefully using scissors or a cutter. Step 4. Clean your wall surface so the sticker adheres properly. Step 5. Peel and stick your design on the wall, pressing out any air bubbles. Tools. You'll need scissors or a craft cutter, adhesive vinyl sheets or double-sided tape, a ruler for measurements, and a cloth to smooth the surface. Quick tip: start with small designs if you're a beginner. Use painter's tape to test placement before sticking. And always cut slowly for cleaner edges. Cost comparison: buying ready-made wall stickers can cost anywhere from $10 to $30 for a pack. DIY stickers, on the other hand, cost less than half a round for $8 for materials: plan gives, sketch gives, cut gives, clean gives, stick gives, smooth gives, done. This simple workflow ensures you don't miss a step. Note: avoid placing stickers on textured or damp walls as they won't last long. Use matte finish vinyl for a premium look. And remember, removable adhesives are best if you're renting. So today, we learned how to design, cut, and apply DIY wall stickers easily with just a few affordable tools. It's creative, budget-friendly, and perfect for refreshing any space. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more smart DIY tips.